Okay, today is a late night in the first day of January. Today we gonna have a video and documentary. That's my dog. Today we're making a documentary for something event for today in somewhere. I don't know. I can't say what place is this, but I'm here. So we're going to go. What is the worstiest food that they have here in this place, and the worstiest rides and worstiest games that they have in here in this area. I cannot tell. I don't want to tell where I am, but I'm here. So let's go. What are we doing today? Today is afternoon late. About like 6 o'clock already. I think, or 7 o'clock or 8. I'm not sure. I didn't look what time is this, but today we're going here somewhere. Have a look at this one lab, babe. Have a look at this one, babe.
I was just gonna give you the phone.
A lot of people here, all around the area where I am, because today, the very first day here where I am, where I can't tell where I am now, but a lot of rides, a lot of games, food. So we haven't been yet tasting food, but yeah, we're going there, love. We're going there, just walking around the area. Yeah, but right now I'm still thinking of where I'm going, where I'm gonna be first to be food or the games or the rides. So I'm still thinking, but yeah, I'm still looking what I'm gonna do first or the next I'm gonna do. Well, probably is a drink. Let me have a drink. Let's try what's the taste or drink. What we're gonna have a drink. Okay, to today's video, guys, we're looking and we're gonna have a fresh drink. I'm still thinking what I'm gonna have, because a lot of them, like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, four flavor of drinks they have here. See that?
But you know what sounds good? It would make my day.
That's a lime flavor. That's orange. That's chocolate flavor, and that's a strawberry flavor. And I don't know what's the pink one. But yeah, let's see and taste it. Let's have one drink. Okay. Okay, we're having a raspberry. That's a raspberry, and I have the orange. I have the orange one. Okay, guys, I have a pineapple, bottle here, and let's see. This is like orange flavor, like pineapple flavor, I think. Let's see how taste and how yummy is it. What's the flavor and what's the taste like. So refreshing. Oh my god, so refreshing. It's good. Oh my god. Nice. of 10, like 8. 8 out of 10. 10. 8 out of 10. Nice. Yummy.
Nice, baby.